We begin tonight with a look at the big surge in local positive COVID cases. Right now, health officials are hoping that they can get all of the testing supplies needed just to handle the huge demand.
Our Michael Gibson tells us tonight that the director of our health district fears we could be seeing supply shortages in the coming weeks. That report in our top story at 5.
There's been a huge explosion in the number of people looking to take a COVID-19 test. Public Health District Director Annette tells 3 News that she's worried the district is soon going to run low on testing supplies because of the surge.
Where you're going to start running out is you're going to start running out with the chemicals. We call them testing kits. You need a certain amount of testing kits to be able to run all of these tests like we've been running, almost 24/7.
Rodriguez fears that the county could run out of test kits by next Friday.
And so we've already put in an order for the next 2,500 test kits. The problem is 2,500 now is we're going through that in 2.5 days. And that cost us nearly $80,000. And so we have to make sure that the funding's there as well.
The director of the health district also says right now the county has around 11,000 of the kits stockpiled. She says if there's any delay in the supply chain, it could affect testing and our daily positive COVID counts.
But I think that we may get to a point in a couple of weeks, maybe 2.5, 3 weeks, where testing supplies will be so limited that you'll see those numbers decreasing.
County Judge Barbara Canales says she believes that the state will continue to fulfill the request for test kits and other needed supplies.
I know the state of Texas has been fantastic when it comes to fighting to get us the resources that we need.
The judge also says there are several funding sources available to the county to help pay for COVID expenses.
The county has applied for what's called advanced funding, and we've received advanced funding for all things vaccinations. And we also have an application in for what's called scope modification, which means we can use that same pot of money, that advanced funding of almost $5 million to pay for testing.
Judge Canales added that FEMA has a 100% reimbursement policy for COVID-related expenses, and she feels that the county will get reimbursed in the future. Michael Gibson, 3 News.
All right, thank you, Michael. And the public